Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to discuss about this amazing energy packed small round berry, what we call it as a turkey berry. In southern part of India, we call it as a sundaikai. This is really an amazing one. We will discuss about the preparation of soup from this, which helps us to remove all the intestinal worms. This is the great one to get rid of our intestinal worms as well as to increase the hemoglobin content in our blood. Come on friends, let us start the preparation. Already we have discussed about this turkey berry in our channel The Forgotten Lore. I will give the link in the description box as well as in the iCards so that you can refer. This turkey berry is a popular one, but most of the people they don't like or eat it because of its bitter taste, but actually it is highly medicinal. To prepare the dish, the needed materials are harvested turkey berries, few garlic, peeled garlic, and few shallots I have peeled, and then other spices like coriander seeds, a little of black peppercorns, a little cumin, asafoetida powder, for seasoning mustard, and to increase the flavor only one red chilli. Besides this, we are going to add few curry leaves. And then I have taken a little of oil as well as needed quantity of salt we will use. This turkey berry we have to crush and wash. In the mortar and pestle I am using and I am crushing it. Simply while crushing it will just split open so that most of the seeds will come out and then we can wash it. We need not remove all the seeds, only few matured seeds we have to wash and throw away. So all the turkey berries have to be split like this. Then I have washed and I have collected. Little of seeds they will not harm us. Now we have to fry or roast it in a little quantity of oil. So I have kept the vessel and I am adding 1 spoonful of coconut oil. With the hot oil, now I am adding the washed and cleaned turkey berries. We have to little roast them all together and I am adding the shallots, then peeled garlic, then cumin also we have to add now and we have to roast them nicely. Till we get the aroma, we have to toss them in this oil. Now almost it is half cooked. So we are going to add the other ingredients. Now I am adding the curry leaves, then peppercorns, cumin. We have to roast them. Addition of curry leaf enhances the deliciousness of any kind of dish as well as it enriches the food. So now we have to grind all these together and I have put it in a mixie and I have made it in to a paste, and now we have to season it. So I have kept the same vessel and we have to add little quantity of oil for seasoning. Only very little is needed in order to put the mustard. The mustard they have to flutter now. So for that we have to add only few drops of oil. and the paste which we have made, no, that with that we have to add more water. Since we are going to prepare soup or rasam, it should be watery. So I have added water. So now the oil is also hot enough. In that I am adding little of mustard and then curry leaf. With that only one red chilli. Red chilli also enhances the flavor of the food. With this asafoetida powder also I have added. Now with this we have to pour the mix which we have put it in the mixie. We have to wash the mixer jar thoroughly and we have to add water. Nicely mix it and keep it in the medium flame. It has started to boil. Now it is time to add salt. We will get nice aroma. Then and there we have to mix it thoroughly. It is boiling nicely and I am getting a very nice good flavor, mouth-watering flavor. But little of that raw smell is coming. So we have to wait till the raw smell disappears. Allow it to boil for some more minutes, few more minutes. It has started to boil nicely and the flavor has increased. So now the soup is ready, friends. We can serve it in the serving vessel to take it as a soup. Otherwise we can take it along with white rice. Serving in the serving cup, in the soup cup, it will make really a very good nice vegetable soup. I am going to take it in both forms. As a soup I am going to take as an appetizer, and then I am going to add this with the plain white rice for my lunch and even for my family. Come on friends, let us taste the food. Let us enjoy. After enjoying the food, we will discuss about the health benefits of this turkey berry. Scientifically, this plant is known as Solanum torvum and it has numerous health benefits, and it is believed that it prevents and treats anemia since it possesses a high concentration of iron. And some laboratory reports shows that it helps in lowering the blood pressure. Another study says that it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. And another study is giving the proof that it has a potential effect in treating or reducing cancer. These turkey berries consist of flavonoids, alkaloids, glycosides, torvosides, saponins, tannins, chlorogenome. All these are antioxidants which are helpful in preventing the cardiovascular diseases, strokes as well as cancer. It is believed that it prevents and it heals cold and flu, and it is recommended by the traditional healers in the treatment of formation of phlegm, excessive phlegm and mucus. And some people believe that and they say that it is a very good treatment to prevent any kind of kidney disease. It prevents our intestinal worms. If there is intestinal worm, it is removed from our intestinal, from our digestive system by this amazing turkey berry. In some traditional folkloric medicine, it is believed that it has anti-analgesic, antipyretic, anti-rheumatic, anti-infectious, diuretic, anti-inflammation and anti-contusive activities. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section. so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.